everybody, Brian Horvath here, and I am excited about this LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. And as you can see, I got the timer going. So let's get going with this 2-minute hot tip. As a career in finance, speaker, consultant, and coach, I have seen the power with LinkedIn for both my clients and actually for me personally. And one of the biggest ways you can make the right connections on LinkedIn, and it's a part of this 2 minutes, is that you need to know how to use keywords. And what are keywords? Well, according to the American Oxford English Dictionary, keywords are words or concepts of great significance. And LinkedIn is all about you showing your significance, or as I like to say, share your story, showcase your value. And the way to do that, for many different reasons and ways, are keywords. And I want you to know that when recruiters or prospecting clients or even interested, maybe potential donors, are looking for a problem to be solved, or looking for someone like you or someone like me to help them with a solution that they need to their problem, they're going to search using keywords. Do your keywords match in your LinkedIn profile with what searchers, recruiters, headhunters are doing? And you want to make sure that they do. And if you need a little bit of a head start in this area, you need some help, go ahead and pull some job descriptions or pull some profiles of target companies you'd like to go work for. That is a tremendous place to source keywords. And once you start filling out your headline and your summary and your work experience and getting endorsements for all those things that you do so well and your value and your story, as you showcase it all, you're going to be connected with the right people. By the way, get some coaching. And one of the ways I can coach you is to get you my new LinkedIn free guide that's called Your LinkedIn Profile Quick Start Guide. You can download it at brianhorvath.com/LinkedIn-quick-start. And that, my friends, is your LinkedIn 2-minute hot tip. How'd I do? I think I did pretty good. It looks like, it's 2:07.